What the fuck? Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video, and as you guys can see, I'm in a different car today, boys. For today's video, we are going to be driving this 100% pussy wagon. Alright then, so if you guys don't know whose car this is actually my sister's new whip. Yeah, this is actually a 2004 Ford Ka, and honestly, I mean, look at the racing stripes. They make 10,000 horsepower, they do. Ford logo on the side, stripes down the woof. First thing I want to say about this car is it is so damn small. And like, that's not even a bad thing. So, I have actually never driven this car, nor have I ever driven a Ford Ka. Before we actually get going in this absolute washing machine, oh, it's not even a washing machine, it's so small, it's a washing machine tablet. Before we actually get going in this, I want to point out a few things that I quite like about this car. This car, I just get in and I'm quite happy. I genuinely mind having this car. The first thing I like is they put the hazard button right here. And it has a very nice ticking sound. Beautiful. It's like a mechanical click. The reverse gear is extremely simple to get into. And we're in reverse. My car, you have to press some stupid button and then put it up here. This car has some bloody fancy places to store stuff. Watch. What? Mate, I could store my Glock 9 down there, look. It has its very own analog clock right here. That's something you get in Bentleys these days. Another thing is, you can only open the trunk if you've got the key or this button. This is something you have in new day BMWs. Voila, look at that. So overall, boys, listen to this. Even the door sounds like just metal on metal, watch. I like that. As you guys can probably tell from right now, I really fuck with this car right now. Like it's a pussy wagon. It's like the bloody TARDIS in here. This is something I said about my car, but literally you get in here and you think it's such a small car, but it's actually quite a big car on the inside. Like the back room, I've sat in the back and it actually feels quite spacious in there. Okay, alright, so I am actually now insured on this bad boy. Just got the email. Firstly, obviously, this is a car channel, so we've got to see what the exhaust sounds like. Very, very nice. Ready? Whew, it revs really sensitive, that is. The throttle response is crazy. It's so sensitive. You have to proper like feather the throttle. But like through these little gaps, I don't know if you guys can't see because there's no dash cam on this. Like usually you have to squeeze through this. I could accelerate through this. Like in my car, I literally take this at 2 miles per hour. Fam, it's crazy. Look, gap, easy, what are you saying? Let's feel how this car, like, accelerates a little bit, you know? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? I don't have my foot even halfway on the pedal. Because it's so small, I'm guessing it just feels like it's going 100 miles per hour. Yo, I fucking love this. I think I might get one of these boys. Fuck the like A45. I'm getting it. Like this is the only channel you're gonna see like driving videos with a flipping Ford Ka. Like look at that big fucking lorry. Look at this. Hold on. Look at this big fucking lorry. What is he on about? Why is he driving that? What, just get a bloody Ford Ka. Like, you can't beat the sound of this honk. god, it's rapid. I believe this is a 1.3 litre engine, which obviously on a car like this, which is tiny, is crazy. Look, I'm living life right now, driving a Ford KA, wind blowing in my face like this, look. Alright, now fucking stop, because I got a big forehead, alright? Chill out. First gear, low end power, first gear, really low gear. Let's see how quick it goes. Right? Let's hear the engine little. Fam, are you telling me that's not a spaceship? This is what that Back to the Future guy used. This car is. Oh my god, that speedo just goes up. I'm not putting my foot down. I just want to stress that, you know. I do believe, like, I wouldn't want somebody thrashing my car, so I'm not thrashing theirs. But oh my god, this pulls. Let's see if this BMW wants some smoke. Oh god, he wants some smoke. He wants some smoke. Ready? See you, sucker! See you, sucker! Literally, nobody could get in road rage with you because you'd be like, driving a 4K, fuck off. I kind of don't like downshifting in this car. I don't know if it can handle it, to be honest. Like, it's a very well kept car. 31,000 miles. For a car, nobody can doubt that that's, like, little. But even look at the turning circle. The turning circle on this is actually mad. This car is so small, it can fit down gaps like this. Like, you could just hide your car like there. I could probably get down there. Hide and seek with this car would be absolutely banging. The thing that I don't like about this car, or even I do like in a way, is the fact that you can hear everything. You can hear every metal clank. You can hear the engine every time you mess up a gear change. I haven't messed up a gear change, but you can hear it. You can hear the gears changing. It's a very unique experience that you're never going to get again, really, because everybody wants these new cars. Everybody wants these, you know, modern cars with all the, you know, infotainment screens and everything. Nah, this is something you'll never get. You've got a fucking hazard button in the middle. It's secretly put there so that you can go like, hello bitches, when you turn up all your car meets and stuff. Oh, fucking hell. People, they're trying to expose me. I'm already ugly as it is, chill out. You know, in like shows like Frozen and stuff, where they're like, I'm not afraid anymore. This is literally it. I'm not afraid anymore. I feel like I could go 50 miles per hour through a brick wall. Watch how effortlessly I go through these bends. Bends to me don't mean anything. Like in my now Ford KA, they don't mean nothing to me. Look how easy this handles the bloody bends. Look at this beautiful scenery. That deserves a honk. I can fit in that gap. I can fit in that gap. This car, you can genuinely swing around corners. Like, I'm not a boy racer. Like, I might have a boy racer car, but like, truly, like, I don't trust myself going around corners too quickly. But yeah, like this one, like, I'm not swinging it too quickly, but you can proper just swing it in. Just let everyone know I'm coming. The brakes aren't very good. That's the only complaint I have. The brakes. They're wanker chang. It feels like somebody's like, please stop, please stop. Hey, we're home, wankers. This takes up like nothing in the drive. Alright then, boys, so unfortunately that is the end of today's drive in this amazing little Ford KA. Like, I think you guys know that I love it. It's extremely hot right now. But literally, there's another thing. Like, that's a car accessory in itself. Like, damn, that you can keep your, I don't know, drugs up there if you want, anything. This car just amazes me, you know. My overall opinions of this, I think if I got this car myself, which I probably won't ever, but, you know, I'll probably drive my sisters now and then, but I'd definitely tint the back windows. You know, I think that would give the car such a nicer look. Like, if the back windows were tinted, I think that would make it, you know, a lot more nice. Here it is in the drive. It's so damn small. Like, here's my car. Like, my car's small, but it's not that incredibly small, you know. This, on the other hand, jeez. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff and subscribe if you are new. Stay tuned for another video on this car because we're going to be upgrading it with dash cams. Don't know, just a whole bunch of car accessories in it. And then maybe we might do another video kind of pimping up the exterior, maybe, I don't know. But yeah guys, I want to say a huge thank you for all the support recently. I really appreciate it. We're coming up on 50,000 subscribers, so if you did enjoy, hit the subscribe button, we'll get a honk for that. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you love faces in my next video. Alright?